What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this beautiful bag right here. This is from Teddy Blake, New York. Teddy Blake reached out to me and sent me this beautiful bag, so thank you so much to them. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So this is the Ava bag, and it is black with gold toned hardware. This is a full leather bag made in Italy with the embossed croc. And it is just such a beautiful bag. Like, it is so stylish and so cute for every day. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Love that it is a top handle, and you also get a adjustable, removable strap, which is great. You get a nice back pocket as well. And this bag is just gorgeous. Like, this is such great quality, and I'm just so happy that it's black with gold toned hardware. I actually don't have any bags that are black with gold hardware, so this bag is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And also you get this beautiful dust bag, which is a drawstring, which I personally like drawstring dust bags. I think they just make it so convenient to take your bag in and out, so that is great that it comes with this. And Teddy Blake was sweet enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. It is TBDrea30 for $30 off. The holidays are coming up, so you can give one of these beautiful bags as a gift or gift it to yourself. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I keep inside. Okay, so here is the bag right here. There is one exterior pocket on the back, which in here I just keep a disposable mask. But this is a very nice deep back pocket for your phone or maybe like a key holder or something like that. The bag also has this cute little lock and key set. So the bag opens like this, where these little tabs kind of push up and out. And then there is a snap button closure, which is magnetic, so it catches very well. And inside the bag, this is real suede lining. And then you get another zipper pocket in the back. And then you also get a back slip pocket as well. So this bag has a lot of pockets to utilize, and you can fit a lot in this bag. So on the top, I just have my phone. I have my car keys, which is the Louis Vuitton key clay. Then I have my mini pochette, and in here I just have some hand sanitizer, some makeup, some perfume samples, things like that. You can also fit a full-size wallet perfectly in this bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. I love when a bag can fit this full-size wallet because I can use it basically for every day, because some things are in here that I need in random situations. So my smaller wallets will not have everything, so it makes me happy that this is a smaller bag but still can fit this. And lastly, I have my external charger to charge my phone. That is a necessity. And so the bag is completely empty, but look at how much you can fit in this bag. I like that the sides kind of give so you can fit even more. And the back pocket, like I said before, is very deep and very nice. And this is real suede lined, so that is great. But yeah, you get a very nice deep slip pocket. And this bag is just gorgeous. I highly recommend this bag. I highly recommend Teddy Blake as a brand and as a company. Their bags are gorgeous. So when you go to close the bag, you snap it closed and tuck these little tabs in, and it's very secure. Nobody's getting in your purse, honey. This is very secure. Such great quality, and thank you so much to Teddy Blake again for reaching out to me and sending me this gorgeous bag. I really appreciate it. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.